touch of my mother today, gently pushing me forward again, closing my eyes but still feeling the way. And I'm clutching her fingers through crumples and creases. I came to my senses, it cut me to pieces, 'cause I needed more, but I was pulling away.